Hi everyone! So, thank you for supporting me last year for being Miss Josiah. Then, sa lahat ng contestant, good luck sa inyo. Sa mananalo, good luck din. God bless. Yun lang po. Thank you.
The day we met, frozen, I held my breath. Right from the start, I knew that I'd found the home for my heart. Beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mrs. Elizabeth Mudo. In behalf of my husband, Franklin Mudo, I would like to thank the management of Visayan Christian College School for having this kind of activity that bridged the gap between the students, children, and the parents. This experience that we had last year is one of the most treasured experience and moment in our life, because we are able to show to our children our support and commitment and dedication. Josayan Christian Valley School is a school that promotes discipline, moral values, and I really thank the people behind this activity, especially Miss Jeng, Miss Anna, Miss Baby. Thank you everyone. To the parents and to the new Mr. and Mrs. Josayan Christian Valley School that will be crowned or will be announced later, good luck to you and enjoy the experience. And to everyone, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.
The day we met, frozen, I held my breath. Right from the start,